Mm. Uh. Yeah.
You know that feeling when you keep seeing something over and over, you ignore it, then finally try it and realize you were missing out for months? That's exactly what happened to me with Bitcoin cloud mining. I've been running this setup for 26 days now. No graphics card, no mining rig, no screaming fans at 3 a.m. Just a dashboard I check on my phone while I'm grabbing coffee. Let me show you. First, the site. btc.miningpool.online. Straight to the point. Here's what we offer. Here's the hash rate. Here's what people are earning. 5 plans. Free, basic, silver, gold, diamond. The free one, legit, $0, you start mining instantly. But the real story is the top end. The multipliers go from 1.2 times on trial all the way to 7.8 times on diamond. That's not a typo. 7.8 times. I'll show you the sign-up flow real quick. Click Get Started, type your email, pick a password. You're in. No KYC, no sending your passport photo to some random server. 30 seconds, done. But I'm not registering today. I want you to see my actual account. Real deposits, real mining, real withdrawals. Here we go. This is my dashboard. Deposit total? Let me check. $470. And my total earned right now is sitting at $1,134. That's in 26 days. On the silver plan, 2.5 times multiplier. Watch the mining generator. See those numbers ticking up? That's real hash rate working for me right now every second. 600 terahashes, running 24/7. And because the pool hash rate is 12.5 pH per second, the blocks keep coming. Consistent. Look at the profit counter. It just ticked again. And again. Every time I check, it's higher. That's the part that still gets me. But here's the thing. I've been eyeing the gold plan since day one. 1.5 pH/S mining power. 4.0 times return on your deposit. That's almost double what I'm getting right now on silver. And the threshold? $500 total deposit. I'm at $470. $30 away from gold. So let's do this. I'm about to deposit $50 more. That pushes me from $470 to $520 total, which unlocks gold automatically. Let me generate a deposit address first. There it is. Bitcoin address, clean QR code. Sending from my wallet now. Watch the transactions section, and there it is. Confirmed. Look, the plan just switched to gold automatically. 4.0 times multiplier, and the hash rate? It jumped from 600 terahashes per second to 1.5 petahashes per second. The mining rate just spiked hard. That's the gold difference right there. All right, the moment of truth. Let me pull out some earnings. Go to Withdraw, pick Bitcoin, paste my wallet address, type the amount. I'll withdraw my entire mining balance. Click Request. A few minutes later, confirmed. Let me open the Blockchain Explorer. Here's the transaction. You can see it live, confirmed, with the exact amount going straight to my wallet, no support tickets, no manual review. Just works. So yeah, that's Bitcoin cloud mining. If you've been looking for a mining platform that doesn't require thousands of dollars in hardware, doesn't need you to understand mining pools and stratum protocols, and actually pays out, this is it. Start with the free plan. See those first few Satoshis land in your balance. Upgrade when you're comfortable. Even the silver plan at 600 terahashes per second with 2.5 times will show you real returns. And when you're ready to go gold at 1.5 pH/S with 4.0x, $30 away. Link in the description. Free plan. Zero risk. See for yourself. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
I brush my balls with my girl's comb. Her comb, her comb, her comb, her comb. I brush my balls with my girl's